Hello, good morning students. I am Kanti sir for mathematics in 10th English medium. Now today's topic is substitution method in exercise 3.4. In earlier lectures so far we solved given pair of linear equations by substitution methods. Whatever substitution method that we already know. Now, what is elimination method? I just give introduction of that in previous lecture. Now, just look at exercise 3.4. Question number first. 3.4. First. Okay. Two equations are given. X plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now in substitution method, earlier method, we used to write left, right. Now in this method, elimination method, we have to write up, down. Okay, vertically they are arranged. So this way we have to write always. Now in instruction they have written this by elimination as well as substitution method. So you have to solve these ones, all four sums by both methods. But now, no substitution method here. That will be in homework. Okay, substitution method will be in homework. Okay. So, first of all, what is the method? Method of this one is first to look coefficient of either x or coefficient of y. Any one variable coefficient must be equal. Then only elimination method is applicable. So either you have to get here 2, otherwise here 3. Any one. That is up to you, whatever to do. But here sign is already negative. So we try for y to be equal. Coefficient of y to be equal. So how to get here 3? By multiplying whole equation by 3. Okay, an equation is multiplied by whole, not by part. So you just cannot place here 3. Both sides should be equal. So 3 multiplied left side and right side means whole equation is multiplied by 3. So you just write here multiplying this equation by 3. No need to multiply second one. Sometimes both are needed to be multiplied by appropriate numbers. But here, if you multiply by 3, first equation, then you will get 3x. So, in next step, 3x plus 3y equal to 50. Not only here, at all terms, coefficient become thrice. Okay, 1 3s are 5 3s are 50. Now nothing to do for second one. Just copy it. Okay, equation number 1 and 2. Now, by addition only we can eliminate y because sign is already opposite. If sign is not opposite but same sign is there, then you should subtract second equation from the first. Okay. So this is eliminated. Now 3 plus 2, 5x equal to 5 plus 4, 90. Okay. So x equal to 19 upon 5. That is first value of variable x. Now either use first equation, otherwise second. Okay, you just continue here. I am writing here. So using 1, write down equation 1. But instead of x, write down its value 90 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. Okay, now just simplify. So y go there. So 5 upon 1 minus 19 upon 5. One is fraction, then another must be converted into fraction only, so that there is a we can solve it. So y equal to cross multiply. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 for here. 5 5s are 25. 19 ones are 90. So y equal to 6 upon 5. Okay, so you got both answer. Now give together x y equal to 19 upon 5, 6 upon 5. You can verify also. Okay, if you place here 19 upon 5 plus 6 upon 5, then it will be 25 upon 5, so 5. And here also you can verify it. But not compulsory to verify. Okay, you just be confident at your work. So again, I just quick revise it. First of all, write both equations this way, vertically arranged. Then look for any one variable. That variable's coefficient must be equal. If not equal, then you have to multiply either first equation, either second equation, otherwise both equations by appropriate numbers. Here I multiply first equation by 3. Why? Because I want here. Otherwise you can multiply first equation by 2 also. At that time 2 eliminated, so first you get y and then x. But I prefer y because signs are already opposite. Okay? So that is preferable. So I multiply first equation by 3. After multiplying first equation by 3, y is eliminated. Whatever left, 5x equal to 19. So x is obtained 19 by 5. And then either you can use first or second, any one you want. Just place first value so you get second value. Okay, so that is the method. Now look at second one. Second question. Again 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Give them equation number 1 and 2. Okay? Right, not left, right, but in upward, downward. Now, again, look. Coefficients are different. Here also coefficient different. How you can get equal coefficient? So obviously, this is complicated. From 2 you cannot get 3, but from 2 you get 4. So if you multiply second equation by 2, then you will very easily get y eliminated. Why? Coefficient becomes equal and sign are already opposite. Okay, so I am going to multiply second equation by 2. No need to multiply equation number 1. Okay, so just copy first one, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Now this should be double. 4x minus 4y equal to 4. 4y cancel. Signs are already opposite. Now 7x 3x plus 4x, 7x equal to 10 plus 4, 14. So 8 equal to x equal to 14 upon 7, 2. So we got first. Now use either first or second. Now I am using second. Okay. So using second. Equation number 2. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. But instead of x, we have to write its value. So 4 minus 2y equal to 2. Okay. So this variable itself is negative, so convert it into positive. So I shifted variable itself. Otherwise, I am not say variable. 2 comes here. So 2 equal to 2y. So 2 upon 2 equal to y. Y equal to 1. Okay. So final answer is x comma y 2 comma 1. That is the final answer. Okay, both answers should be together. So now look, verify also. 2, 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 4, 10. 2 2 is 4 minus 2, 2. Answer is right. Okay. So just like previous one, nothing is different here. Only value is different. Otherwise, same manner we got both ones. If you instead of second one, suppose you want to use first one, then also you will get y1. This is extra, not compulsory. Any one should be used. Suppose you want to find using first one. So x we got 2. So 6 plus 4y equal to 10. So 4y equal to 10 minus 6, 4. So y equal to 1. Anyway, Okay, any one equation to be used at last for getting second equation. Sorry, not second equation, second variable. Now look at number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Okay, exercise 3.4. 3x minus 5y equal to minus 4 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. In substitution and in elimination, both method, we generally write x and y at left side and variable at right side. This is the given. So first of all, we have to write given equation systematically. How? Variable left side, constant right side. So both variables keep here only and 4 go that side. So minus 4 become plus equation number 1. Now that 9x minus 2y equal to 7. 2y shifted here. Okay. So always xy left, number right. Substitution or elimination, both methods. Now, how to solve it? Two ways are here. If you want to get coefficient of x equal, then first equation should be multiplied by 3. First should be multiplied by 3. So this is a 9 comes here, no need to multiply second. Otherwise, if you eliminate y, then you have to multiply first by 2 and second by 5. Okay? First by 2 and second by 5. So coefficient of another equations. But to multiply both equations, then better to select multiply one equation. So I multiply first equation by 3. So easily I will get coefficient of x equal. Okay. So now it becomes 9x minus 15y equal to 12. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Second, just write down it is equal to 7. Now you know signs are not opposite. Sign must be opposite, then only they are related. So what to do? So subtract these equations. Minus, plus, minus. All signs should be opposite. Plus sign become minus, minus become plus, and plus minus. Don't make plus here. Okay? New sign should be placed here only. So that examiner will be clear that whatever the sign and now what is the new sign. So old sign and new sign should be clear there. Okay? If they are clear, then only examiner know what is the process. Now we can eliminate x. Again, wherever signs are same, not opposite, at that time you have to subtract this below equation from above equation. How to subtract equation? By making all term opposite. By making sign of all terms opposite. Look here. Now consider new sign only. Forget the original one. So 9x minus 9x. 1 minus 15y plus 2y. Minus 15 plus 2. Obviously minus 13. So write down here minus 13y. Okay. And here 12 minus 7, 5. Again minus 15 plus 2. Okay. What are the equations first of all? So far whatever you will learn, just revise it. This is given. So I converted it to simple one. Then here 9x minus 2y, 9x minus 2y equal to 7. I multiply first by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. Second as it is. This is eliminated. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 13. 12 minus 7, 5. So y equal to minus 5 upon 13. 13 goes minus there only, not minus to plus, because here coefficient shifted. Whenever coefficient is being shifted there, at that time remember, not minus to plus or plus to minus, but multiplication to division and division to multiplication. So actually minus is here, but you can allot sign either to numerator, otherwise in between. Okay, fraction is minus means what? Numerator is minus. Okay, so we got y equal to minus 5 upon 30. Now either using first or second, get any one. So now I just using 1. So using 1, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Instead of y, I have to write minus 5 by 30. Sign is allotted to numerator. Okay? Whether you make sign here or in between, they are considered the sign of numerator. So it is become 3x plus 25 upon 30 equal to 4. Now just try to simplify it. So it is 4 by 1 minus 25 upon 30. So 3x equal to 13. 13 4s are 52 minus 25. Okay, cross multiplication. Therefore 3x equal to 27 upon 30. Okay, now I write here only. So it becomes x equal to 27, 13 into 3. So x become 3 9s are 27. So 9 upon 30. So this is x. First we got y, then x. Now give answer together. X comma y equal to minus 5 by 30 comma 9 by 30. Sorry, 9 by 30 minus 5 by 30. Okay, x is this and y. Okay, first we got y, then x. So now just fraction only we are answering obtained. But remember, first of all, method coefficient must be equal. If not equal, multiply either one or both. Here we select x so that we multiply any one equation. So we multiply it. Then addition is not required here. Subtraction is required. Why? Signs are not opposite but same sign is there. So for making opposite sign, we have to subtract whole equation from first. So that is subtracted. To subtract equation means nothing but to convert old term sign opposite. So old term sign becomes opposite, plus minus, minus plus, plus minus. Now according to new sign, only combine them. So minus 15 plus 2 minus 30. 12 minus 7, 5. Okay, so we got 1. Then any 1 is used to find out second variable. After getting both variables, just place both answer together. Okay. Now number 2. Here given x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Okay, first of all simplify it. Okay, so it becomes here 6 means fractions are there, cross multiplication is required. So I just try to add them by taking LCM only. So it is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1. Cross multiplication 3 into x, 2 into 2. So it is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Equation number 1. And here place 1. Okay, if any one is fraction, make another also. So it will be 3x minus y equal to 3. Therefore it becomes 3x minus y equal to 9. Okay. Now write them above below, vertically arranged. Okay. What done? They have given in fractions, so we just convert it into simplest form. Because fraction is removed. Decimal also removed. Coefficient must be in integer only, not in fraction, not in decimal. In earlier method also we have converted fraction and decimal both into integers. Okay. So here just we take an LCM, cross multiply done, 6 is shifted there. Here also cross multiply, 3 is shifted there. Now just write that way, 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3x minus y equal to 9. In both equations, it is x only, 3x only. So coefficients are already equal here. Look at, coefficients are already equal. So no need to multiply it. So just sign is not opposite, so subtract second equation from first one. Why? Because coefficients becomes equal whenever we convert this equation into simplest form. So now 3x cancel, 4y plus y, 5. Plus 4 plus 1, not minus 1. Minus 6 minus 9, minus 15. Okay, you know, not minus plus sign will be minus 1. Same sign addition, bigger sign. So y becomes minus 15 upon 5. So y becomes minus 3. Okay. Now either use first, otherwise second. So I am going to use second equation. So using second one, 3x minus y equal to 9. 3x minus y equal to 9. Now y itself is minus 3. So it becomes 3x plus 3 equal to 9. Okay, minus become plus. So 3x equal to 6. 9 minus 3. X equal to 6 upon 3. 2. Okay, so answer becomes x comma y 2 comma minus 3. You can verify also. If you place here 2 and here minus 3, so 3 2s are 6 and minus 12. So 6 minus 12 minus 6. And here also 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3 9. So equation satisfied either here or here. Okay, not compulsory, but if you want that. So these are the 4 sums. All are solved here by elimination method. Now I just give you few sums to solve in homework. Okay, we will solve next sums also few, but first of all I just give to homework. By elimination method, all you have to solve by substitution method, that is right. But 2 sums I am giving by elimination method, extra sums. Okay, first equation 3x plus 2y equal to 5. 6x minus 3y equal to 3. Okay, so what you have to do, you decide. Now number 2, x plus 2y equal to 4. 3x minus y equal to 5. Okay, so this you have to solve. Okay, you just get answer and verify, so no need to give answer here. Okay, now look for word problem. Here also 5 sums given and most are repeating. Okay, look at second sum. Second sum. 5 years ago, Nuri was twice as old as Son. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Son. How old are Nuri and Son now? Okay, if they are not clarified, they are asking the age of present. Okay, so this is repeating only. Same type of sum we solved in 3.1, in 3.3 also. So it is repeating. So question number 2 is textbook. Second in homework. Totally you have to form equation and solve also. You understand? And that is by elimination only. Now no substitution method. Substitution method is asked for first one only. Okay? And in word problem actually we have to decide which method to be applied. But in textbook this is whole exercise for elimination method only. That's why we apply here elimination method compulsory. Okay? So 3 questions and 4 more by substitution. So 7 questions you have to solve today as a homework. Okay. Now remaining all word problems I will solve tomorrow only. Seconds first. It is also repeating, but I will solve just previous. Yesterday only we solved this type of sum. Then third is quite new. Fourth and fifth, they are again simple, but we will try it to solve in next lecture. Okay. So friends, so far we learned 2 methods of solving linear pair of equations. Substitution method, you are going to today also these types of sum in homework, and then elimination. Okay, so it will be practiced today only because today fixed types of exercise is given. In first one both are required. In main question number 2, substitution is required. Okay, so it will be revised today only, and remaining 2 exercise we are not going to solve right now. Okay, whenever school reopens, every time we will solve practical and cross multiplication. I already told you cross multiplication method is removed from CBSE for this year only. So we are waiting for any further decision by Gujarat Board. Okay, so 2 methods we will exclude right now for time being only. If we will sure that this also we have to do and this is we have to do only, but right now not possible, so then we will study both remaining methods also. Okay.